What's happening, Pyros? Happy Easter to everybody. I hope everybody had an excellent Easter and the Easter Bunny brought you everything you want. The Pyro Bunny stopped by here, gave me this nice basket full of stuff, of coolness. And over here, I have a project set up if I can get it done before my camera fails on me again. Alright, we're going to try blasting with pyro. This should be pretty cool. Let's see if this works. Try to get back here and find a good place to where I won't get hit with too much debris. Should be directional. Yeah, let's get nice and close. Right there should work. Alright, firing in 3, 2. Oh, I got nothing. Uh-oh. Hold on. 11, there we go. Send it out. It's a pretty good little hole. Alright, let's try 9. I got it all out of order. Alright, that one's in the hill. Wow. I just got a face full. Quite literally a face full of earth. I am standing in the wrong place, ladies and gentlemen. I want to move. Alright, let's finish this. Well, I think that blew loose my connections. Darn it. Let's try it again. 10, no good. 9, no good. 11, no good. 12, no good. Damn it. Well, let me see if I can fix this. Cautiously. I see what happened. The blast pulled out the... Damn, look at the blast though. That's impressive as hell. That was awesome. Alright, man. I'm going to fix this and we'll try part 2 here in a second because I see the ones that are disconnected. Tune in for part 2 if you want to see the rest of how this turns out. Hillbilly Pyro out.